Hi Tesla fans, I'm Ellie with T-Sportline, and today I have hands down the most incredible Model X we have ever built. Take a look at this 2025 Model X Plaid that came to us from the moment the customer took delivery of the vehicle for a complete transformation. Starting off with the outside, I'm sure you could already notice the incredible gloss carbon fiber wide body program that we are so excited about, that fits all the new refresh Model X's, starting off with the lower carbon fiber front apron that connects to these really cool wider front fender wheel arches, down the side rocker panels or side skirts, up the rear falcon wing door, connecting to the rear quarter panel, again a wider flare in gloss carbon fiber, to the very sporty rear carbon fiber diffuser, finishing off with the rear wing. Now this customer loves carbon fiber, just like I do. So he wanted to add a little bit more. So take a look at the front right here, at this really cool carbon fiber V-line trim, and then covers for the front cameras and side mirror caps. You cannot add any more carbon fiber to the exterior. This customer did it all. Then he wanted us to go ahead and wrap the vehicle. And while this vehicle came to us originally in gloss black, it has been wrapped using T-Max chalk color PPF. This is another transformation to change the color of your Tesla while also protecting the paint underneath. Now, this vehicle is protected from road rash, rock chips, or any type of small damages because it is PPF and it's designed to go ahead and take the abuse and protect the paint up underneath. Also part of this program are a brand new set of 22-inch wheels and tires. Now, the tires are actually made by Falcon, and our friends at Falcon do a wonderful job using the exact fitment that Tesla uses, and they even include the foam on the inside, making it a true EV tire for a quieter driving experience. The wheels are part of this program, exclusively for this program, finished in gloss black, 22 spoke, 22-inch, fully concaved, front and rear wheels, finished in any color you want. But this customer chose gloss black because gloss black is a really nice complement to the factory gloss black trim around the windows and ties in with the gloss carbon fiber. Now, as you can see, as you look through the wheels right here, we have a whole brand new braking system. Because this is the world's fastest SUV, this customer wanted to ensure that he has the performance braking that only Brembo could bring. And this is their GT-R series, top of the line, full front brake caliper upgrade, brake pads, discs, and as well as the fact that this is really recognizable because the GT-R series braking system, the calipers come nickel plated. Now look at this nice attention to detail. You see where it says Brembo right here in a nice teal finish? Well, normally that's red from Brembo. We actually refinished it in teal because that's going to give us the sneak peek of what's going on the inside, because this customer absolutely did an amazing build and I can't wait to show you what's inside. Check this out. Isn't this incredible? Brand new color from Rolls-Royce. It's called teal. We imported the hides from the tanneries in Europe and reupholstered the whole interior using this absolute gorgeous color of leather. As you can see, the lower dash, the front and rear seats, the full door panels have all been reupholstered. And then, of course, our signature diamond quilt on the door panel inserts, the upper V-neck area of the seats, all finished in a silver stitch or like a chalk color stitch to go ahead and match the chalk colored wrap. Now, we did not stop there. Remember I told you this customer loves carbon fiber just as much as I do. So all interior decor pieces that actually came in a matte carbon fiber finish have been refinished in gloss. And this just brings the carbon fiber to life, right? So much more depth, refinished all those pieces, but we added more because he said, Ellie, what else can we add in carbon fiber to the interior? And I said, well, we can go ahead and refinish and reimagine your yoke steering wheel, applying gloss carbon fiber on the lower area. Of course, we had to reupholster the sides using the teal leather and dyeing the airbag cover in teal to match, right? Because if you're going to do it, you go all the way. Now take a look at the seat backs. All 6 seat backs in this 6-passenger Model X are normally plastic with vinyl on it from Tesla. they've been refinished using our gloss carbon fiber seat back covers. So that's really cool. And then take a look at the seat sides. Passenger front side, outer side, and the same on the driver's side. That's normally plastic with the controls to control your seats. Refinished in gloss carbon fiber, ties in nicely with the seat backs. And underneath row 2, that's normally plastic too. And this is also gloss carbon fiber. So we've done as much as we can. This customer loves Tesla and loves T-Sportline. So we made custom-made floor mats showcasing our T-Sportline logo, as you can see it right there on row 2, in a proper color match to the teal. And we did not stop there. The upper dash pad was actually reupholstered using Ferrari black leather. And as you can see, a really nice touch is this double stitch teal thread color to match the leather that goes right across the dash. And the headliner has been reupholstered in Ferrari black leather as well. Now this Model X, as you know, comes with a black Alcantara headliner, and that is super cool. But there's nothing better than Ferrari black leather on your headliner. To finish it all off, there are a couple more details. We did go ahead and tint all the windows using 3M ceramic IR film to protect this interior with a 99% UVA and UVB rejection of rays to protect your skin and this beautiful interior, but it also cools the interior by up to 15 degrees on those hot summer days. So that was a really nice accessory. In addition to that, the customer also wanted us to go ahead and apply ceramic treatment to the full exterior to protect the wrap from wrap degradation, on the wheels to make easy cleanup so from brake dust and stuff like that, on the glass to repel dirty water and prevent staining, and of course on the full interior to go ahead and protect it. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. We have so many more amazing videos coming your way soon.